Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today I am here with a new job opportunity from Barclay. I am going to discuss about the job profile which the company is going to provide to the freshers, job overview, its benefit and why should you join the company. So please watch the video till the end. So let's start. So I will be starting with an eligibility criteria. So the eligibility criteria for applying is very simple. Any graduate from any degree can apply for this. So here, as you can see, this is the website of the Barclay company. So here what they have written about the graduate programs at Barclay is our graduate programmers delivers immense experience, transformative development and incredible support. They say that they give each graduate the best possible start of their career and also they help in learning continuously. And also they have mentioned that whichever program the graduate will choose, they will be doing a meaningful work. They will discover new resources which help them to build their long career and also develop a skill set. So here, as you can see, they have given the job description, the overall purpose of the role. So here what is the job description is, you will have to work on project and techs on developing highly scalable applications, and also you will work and design and develop microservices, GUI, server components, implement functional solutions, unit test, coordinate release, and where application contribute to design sessions. You also have to interact with an end users and product owners to understand their requirement and to build solution according to the requirement of the user. And also you have to work as a local team and you should able to communicate with their colleagues in other region effectively. And also you provide support for the application BAU as needed. So these are the some of the points which have been mentioned under the job description. And also now the important question is, what are the skill requirement for applying for this. So you should have a strong application and developmental skills including multi-threaded programming and SQL experience. This is the important thing. And also you should able to communicate effectively with end users and other developers in a global team-based environment. You should have a strong interpersonal skills with ability to communicate thoughts, designs and implementation in both written as well as oral form. You should have result-oriented, self-started with positive can-do attitude. So now the question that arises in our mind is, why should we join this? What do we get in return? That is an important question. What do we get in return? So they say that at Barclay company, you as an employer has to support their customers and client, and they will support you with rewards that will genuinely make a difference. So they provide paid holiday and vacation. They provide competitive pay, private medical care, disability assurance, flexibility working, life assurance, voluntary benefit and also the retirement planning. So these are all things which you will get in return if you get selected in this. So here they have shown what make you successful at Barclay. The key qualities will help you lay a solid foundation for your success on our programs. So they help you in further development and strengthen the qualities like resilience, confidence and also the curiousness. So now the question is, why to choose Barclay only? So you should choose Barclay because they provide full support and encouragement which you need, and also they provide chance to make a genuine contribution to inclusive culture and support your career. So these are some of the things which are given, like their eligibility, as I already told you, what you will get in return, their job profile and everything. So the opportunity is knocking at your door. Link is given below in the description box. Please apply as soon as possible you can, And also, I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you so much.